I came out looking for a peacock, and I came to a nature park. In the whole entire area, I couldn't find a peacock. On the way out, into the parking lot, look who we found. A beautiful boy. Peacock. How are you, sweetheart? They're gorgeous birds. Isn't he beautiful? Aren't you beautiful? Where are all your buddies? He's hanging out on a pickup truck of all things. Pretty bird. You pretty bird? Yes, you are. Look at you. Hi there. Let me try and change the angle so people can see how beautiful you are. We love our birds here in Florida. Just hanging out. A little peacock action. What you doing? Oh, pretty bird. I don't know how well you can see him. So yep, here's your peacock for the day. Oops, sorry. Look at you, aren't you beautiful? See those big feathers in the back hanging out? Yep. Peacock. Watching all the people on a pickup truck. Nature at its finest. Birdie bird. I don't know, 6 feet away, 7 feet away from this bird. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. I can show you his plumage a little bit. Gorgeous. So we did find a peacock today for you guys. We're gonna go now. I just wanted to show you a peacock today. They're good luck. Good luck. Oh, look, he's gonna show us his feathers. Gorgeous. Gorgeous birdie. Okay, I gotta get to work. You guys have a great day. So the peacock is about the size of a bed of a pickup truck.